If you would like to create a graph of the information that you have gathered about a person or a company, then you can use a website called OSINT Tracker that will allow you to create a network or a graph of the information that you have gathered. This will help you to present the information that you have gathered more professionally and will give you an overview of the information that you have gathered. So you want to click on Launch App, and then you want to click on Yes. And after this, you can click on OSINT Tracker, and you want to create an investigation. So you want to click on Add, and then we can say Rishi Kabra, for example, like this, and then we can add a description and then click on Add. After we create our investigation, we can click on it, and the first thing we can do is to create entities. So I can click on Add this first entity, and then I'm going to say that this entity is going to be Rishi Kabra, or it's going to be called Rishi Kabra. I can add a URL, and then I can specify the category. So I can say that this is a person, like this. I can add a badge or choose a certain color. I can also upload an image or add some comments. So I'm going to upload Rishi Kabra profile image, like this, and then click on Add. And now we have an entity. The second thing we can do is to create another entity, and we can call it Facebook, for example. And then we can add his Facebook profile URL like this. And then I'm going to say that this is going to be Facebook, and then Add. And now we have another entity. The only thing that is missing right now is to add a relationship between Rishi Kabra and his Facebook account. So I can click on Relationship, and then you want to drag an arrow from his entity to the other entity like this. And then I can label it. So I can say that he uses Facebook, and I can add a color, for example, add a source, start date, start time, etc. So I'm going to say Add, and now we can see that Rishi Kabra uses Facebook. So you want to keep doing this until you have a full graph of all the information that you have gathered about a company or a person. You can also specify whether this entity is important or critical or not by clicking on this or enabling this, and then save, and now it's marked in red. And once you are done, you want to export your investigation. So you want to click on this and then click on Export, and then you can call it whatever you want, and then click on Export. And the next time you want to open this graph, you want to go to OSINT Tracker, click on Yes, and click on Import. And then you want to choose the file that you have downloaded, which is this one, and then Import, and then we can open it and see our investigation. I have added most of the information we found about Rishi Kabra to the graph, and now we will review it. Now these are not all information. There are much more in our notes, but I have added only the main entities that led us to find his personal and business email, his phone numbers, his social media networks, home address, and so on. So here we have Rishi Kabra. The first thing that we were able to find about Rishi was his LinkedIn account. And on his LinkedIn account, we have seen that he works at Contact Out and at a company called Athena. And this is the member ID of his LinkedIn account, just in case he changed his display name or his username on LinkedIn. And using Signal Hire browser extension, we were able to find his business email address, his business phone number, and his personal phone number. The next thing that we were able to find was his Facebook account, and on his Facebook account he actually posted a lot of information. For example, his Facebook account led us to his Snapchat account, to his X account, GitHub, and to his Instagram account. And we were also able to find some of his family members, and we have extracted the profile ID of his Facebook account. On his GitHub account, we were able to find his personal email address in the README file, and the same email address was also used on his YouTube channel. We have also performed username enumeration, which led to his gaming YouTube channel, and on his gaming YouTube channel we were able to find his gaming email address. On his new Twitter account, we were able to find that he had a deleted tweet, and I've added in here, and this is his user ID. And on his Instagram account, we were able to find 2 public comments that he made on a public page, although he has his Instagram profile set to private. We have also checked leak databases, and we were able to find that he lives in Kolkata, India, and we were also able to find his home address. And on his LinkedIn account, we were able to find that he studied at the SRM University. Now, as I said before, this is only a basic visualization just to show you the information that we were able to gather just by using OSINT. Now, of course, if you are investigating a group, then this network is going to be much larger than this, and it's going to be full of entities and complex relationships between each entity.